My name is Muhammad Hamza. I am an intermediate student with focus in humanities, and I have previously done my O-levels from the City School BM chapter. I have been passionate and keen to study in IOBM and would share my ambition and skills that make me right fit for the university. During my O-levels, my goal was to initiate my own business. I devoted myself to learning all I could through practical projects and experiences. I was profoundly passionate about this endeavor, and during those years I learned to multitask my business setup and studies. In addition to develop a business, I demonstrated leadership skills by serving as a class president, arranged trips and school meetups. Following 2 years of growth and change, my goals evolved. Rather than growing my own business, I decided to pursue intermediate, and I poured all my efforts in improving my grades. I am hands-on in using MS Office and AutoCAD. In this course, I learned how to draw mechanical, electrical, and architectural designs on 2D, 3D dimensions. Recently, I have worked on different softwares, for example, Climax, Manager.io. I have recently done internship at the Indus Logistics as a data entry operator. I belong from a business-oriented family. I am applying in BBA because I have deep passion for business. BBA courses offer an opportunity to acquire professional skills in early stage of my career as a management professional. This undergraduate course offers a deep understanding and development important business skills such as leadership, communication skills, critical thinking, decision making. I will do MBA in supply chain management and logistics after graduation. Then I will pursue my family business in future, as well as start up my own business and use my skills of business administration learned in this degree to fulfill my aim of diversifying my family business of logistics and introducing new line of products. I am interested in doing this course from IOBM because IOBM had the most to offer compared to other universities. For example, faculty that's ranked among the top 10 of Pakistan, strong alumni network, triple accreditation, and is located in Pakistan's metropolitan city. I am confident that if I get selected in IOBM, I can learn about new cultures, expand my business knowledge, and expect a promising job after graduation. IOBM's learning environment will surely help me in developing networking and gain better understanding of business through learning of new business models and how to bring innovations in business and how to market my business. If I get chance to be accepted at your university, I expect to meet a lot of new and interesting people, learn from qualified, diversified, experienced faculty, and make new friendships to get to know different cultures and traditions. I will get a chance to network as well, which can be helpful in future. IOBM is the perfect platform to enhance my skills. Thank you.